Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are documenting our YouTube journey. This is week 2 results. I should say I am documenting my YouTube journey. Hi, I am Shonda Nicole and I am starting YouTube for the first time in my 50s, basically starting social media. Not having had any personal Facebook or Instagram or pages or anything like that. So I wanted to document, let you know what I'm doing, how things are working, and we'll see where this goes in the future. So from week 1, the wins were that we got 1 new subscriber, yay, and we got a little bit more watch time. That was I think they were all positive things. In addition, I did get up 2 long form videos and 1 short. So those were all the wins. Those were all the positive things. What I'm working on in week 2 is I have to figure out my niche and cement that and confirm that and stick with it. So I'm going to be working on that in week 2. I'm going to try doing minimal editing and 1 take. That's the second thing that I'm going to try. I know that there is a space on YouTube for minimal editing, and some of those channels that do minimal editing are doing really well without all of the fast takes and the fancy editing. So I'm going to see if, as a beginning YouTube channel, that approach will work for me. So that's the second thing. There'll be very little editing, and I'm going to try to do this week's videos in 1 take without a lot of editing. As far as the short, I'm still going to try to do another short this week, and I'm going to try to improve the short by getting captions on the short and a title on the short. I think that last week's video did not have those, or last week's short. So those are the 3 things that I'm working on. I'm still using CapCut. I'm still going to try to optimize the video by using vidIQ and TubeBuddy and do keyword search and check to see if it's a topic that people are interested in. So if you're not familiar with what it means to optimize a video or how to use those tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy, drop a comment. I'll do a video on that and I'll share with you what I know, what I've been able to learn so far. So I would say, we had a couple of wins and we've got a couple of things we're going to work on. And each week I'm just trying to get 1% better, just a little bit better every week. I know YouTube is a long game, so just a little bit better every week. So hopefully we'll be able to accomplish the things that we're working on this week, and I'll be back next week and I'll let you guys know what the stats are and how things are looking. So if you're in your 40s or 50s or 60s and you're just starting YouTube, I hope this is an encouragement. I'm going to hang in there. I hope you do too. If you found this inspiring, drop a comment below and just say the word inspired. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.